how to make realistic AI avatar videos like this.
Hi, I'm Mark, one of the many avatars available from Deepbrain AI. Choose a template, and let's get started.
So in order to create realistic AI avatar videos, first head over to Google and search AIStudios. And from the search results, go over to AIStudios.com. So AIStudios, created by Deepbrain AI, is an all-in-one AI video generator. You can create realistic AI avatars with natural text-to-speech features. And with the help of its powerful AI video editing tool, you can create any type of AI avatars videos. So let's start creating our AI avatars. So in order to get started, here click on create a free video. Now in order to start using AIStudios, first you need to create an account. So first here enter your email address, name, password, and then select on this checkbox and click on sign up. And your AIStudios account will be created. And you will be signed into your AIStudios accounts dashboard. And this is what it looks like. This is the homepage of AIStudios. And here you can explore all these features of AIStudios to start creating any kind of videos. Now for this video, we're gonna be generating a realistic AI avatar. So at the left section under home, select on avatars. And here also AIStudios offers you to create your own AI avatar. And you can do that here. But we're gonna be using these AI avatars which is created by Deepbrain's AIStudios. So here you can select any AI avatar and you can preview it. So here let's select Max.
Hello, my name is Max and I am an avatar developed by Deepbrain AI. Let's make a video together.
And as you can see, this AI avatar is so realistic. It is pure human avatar with natural voice. So in order to use this AI avatar to create our videos, once you selected your AI avatar, in this page, at the top right, click on try this model. And that will bring you to the editor page of AIStudios. And here you can start creating your videos. Now before creating your video, first you need a script. And here under this section, we have this ChatGTP icon. So let's select on it. And now you have to enter a prompt to generate a script on any topic. And here I want to create a video about nature. And I already have my prompt. So let me copy it from Google Notes. And here is my prompt. As you can read, write a video script about serenity of nature, include a series of scenes that showcase the beauty of nature, starting with the sunrise over a forest, followed by birds in flight, sunrise in mountains, and following river. So this is my prompt to generate the video. You can generate any script using any type of prompt and you can create video with that. So here I'm gonna copy this prompt and let's go back to AIStudios and let's paste it here. And then let's click on generate. And there it is, AIStudios with the help of ChatGPT has generated my video script. And you can see the script is very simple, very helpful to generate our AI video. Here they have scenes and they have also music if you want to add. And they have also giving us information that what type of video footage that we should use. And at the end we have our short script. And this is the script we're gonna be putting in the video. And this is for scene 1. And here we have total of 4 scenes. So to make it easier, I'm gonna copy this whole script from scene 1 to closing scene. And let's go back to Google Note and let's paste it here. And now it will be more easier for us to generate the video for each scene. So for the first scene, the narrator, which is our AI avatar, is going to speak this line. So let's copy this and let's go back to AIStudios and let's paste it here. And that's done. Now on the screen, as you can see, our AI avatar is at the middle of the screen. So we're gonna adjust its position and size. So first you select your AI avatar and this way you can minimize and maximize its size and you can move its position. Let me quickly adjust its size and move it to perfect position. And here it is, the AI avatar is at perfect position. And under here we can preview our script. So we can listen to our script just by clicking on this play button. So let's click on play.
As dawn breaks, the forest awakens, bathed in the warm glow of the sun.
And that is, you might be wondering why the AI avatar is not using the mouth animation. It is because once you export the video, all the AI avatar animation will be generated after that. And you can see that on your generated video. And if you think your AI avatar is speaking too slow or too speed, then you can change the voiceover speed of your AI avatar. And you can do this here. If you select on scene speed, here you can either increase or decrease. I think this AI avatar is speaking a little bit faster, so I'm gonna decrease it to 0.9. That's it. Now if you want to add any effect on your video, then you can do this here as well. but I think these effects don't suit my video, so I'm not gonna be using any effect. You can use it depend on your video type. Now after that you can add any kind of pause in your script. So in your script between the words, if you want to give it a pause, then select that part and under here click on this icon, add a pause, and a pause of 0.5 second will be added by default. And you can change it. So here I'm gonna change to 0.2 and let's click on save. And a pause of 0.2 seconds has been added here. And if you think there is a wrong pronunciation in any words from your AI avatar, then you can highlight that word and under here you can click on dictionary and you can adjust your pronunciation if it was wrong. But I think this pronunciation is good, so here I'm not gonna be adjusting any of that. So let's click on clear changes. Now this part is done. Now we have to generate our video according to script. And here at the left section we can do that. If you want to add any text and caption to your video, you can do that as well here. But I'm not gonna be doing that for this video. Here we're gonna be select media. And as we want a video, here let's select video. And here AIStudios will provide all the stock footage from Pixabay and Shutterstock. You can select any of these. I'm gonna select Pixabay. And for the video, we're gonna be searching according to our script. So let's go back to script. And for the scene number 1, we have sunrise over a forest. So we're gonna be searching this. So let's go back to AIStudios and let's type sunrise over a forest. And it will generate all videos which are relevant to our prompt. And you can select any video from here. And you can preview any video just placing the mouse cursor on it. So let me quickly select a video footage where we get a sunrise over a forest. Once you select the video, your selected stock footage video will be inserted over here. And now let's minimize this media. And here we have to adjust the size and position of this video footage. So let me bring it to top left. And now let me expand its size to make it fit to the screen. And it is perfectly fit. Now as you can see, the AI avatar has been hidden and this video layer is over my AI avatar. Now I need to bring my AI avatar over this video. So in order to do that, you can see this layering icon, click on it and then click on send backward. And this video will be pushed backward and your AI avatar will be placed over it. Now that's done. The scene number 1 is done. Now let's go to second scene. So let's scroll down and here let's click on this add icon. And the scene number 1 will be copied over to scene number 2. And as it is a copy of scene number 1, we're gonna be delete the video footage. So in order to delete the video footage, select the stock footage and at the top we have this delete button. Click on delete. Now for second scene, let's go back to script. And here for scene number 2, our stock footage will be about birds in flight, where birds will be flying. And this is the script our AI avatar will narrate. So let's copy this script and let's paste it here. And here also I'm gonna give it a pause. So let me select here and let's click on add pause. And let me change it to 0.2. And let's click on save. Now that's done. Now let's go to media. And here let's search birds flying. You have to search any type of video which is relevant to your script. So again, let me quickly select a video where birds are flying. And I think this video looks suitable for this script. So let's select it. And now let's minimize this section. And let's make it fit to the screen. And let's send it backward. That is, it now looks perfect. Now scene number 2 is done. And for this video, I have total of 4 scenes and a closing scene as well. So as I'm going to be doing the same thing for scene number 3 and 4 over and over, let me just do it very quickly. So all 4 scenes are finished. Now we have to add the final scene as per our script. So let's add another scene here. And let me delete this footage. Now let's go back to our script. And for the closing scene, our video footage will be about nature's harmony. And here is the script which my selected AI avatar will be narrating. So let me copy it. And let's paste it over here. And now let's go to media. And here we're gonna be searching nature harmony. So let me quickly select a relevant video footage according to the script. Okay, let's select this. And let's minimize it. And let me make it fit to the screen. And let's send it backward. I could have used montage of all this footage, but that would have taken so many times. So I quickly select this footage. You can do it in more better way by selecting good video footage. And you can start editing here by exploring all these options, and you can understand it easily. How everything works, how you're gonna use this AI tool to create realistic AI avatar videos. So that needs practice, and practice makes you better. So you have to keep making videos in order to learn AIStudios. So once you're done with all scenes, now it's time to export the video. But before that, you can also preview the video. So here we have preview option. So let's select on it. And here they have clearly mentioned, after generating the video, you can access avatar animation. So here you can only listen to the voice, or maybe you can watch the video footage. And it takes a bit of time to load. So we're not gonna be preview the video here. We can watch it once it finished exporting. So let's click on this cross icon. And now at the top right, let's click on export. And here you will know what is the length of your video. And over here under video quality, you can select quality of your video. So at maximum you can select up to 1080p, which is full HD. And here I'm gonna select 720p because it's gonna export so fast. But here always the recommended video quality is full HD, which is 1080p. So in your case you should be selecting 1080p. So now let's click on export. And that will bring you to the home page. And here under recent project, you can see your video is being exported, and the processing will be taking some time. So let me skip this part and show you the finished video wholly generated by AIStudios. Okay, so after a few minutes, the processing has been finished and our realistic AI avatar video has been generated. And here we can play our video. So let's select on view video.
As dawn breaks, the forest awakens, bathed in the warm glow of the sun. In the vast expanse above, birds dance freely, embodying the spirit of freedom. The mountains stand tall, guardians of tranquility, as the sun paints the sky with hues of orange and pink. And here, the river flows, a soothing melody of nature, reminding us of life's constant movement. In every corner of nature, serenity awaits, inviting us to pause, reflect, and embrace its beauty.
And that's it. That's the video generated by AIStudios. Actually, I made this video so fast. That's why I did not add any transition and also any music. But if we add transition to our video, then it will look more professional. And we can do it on the editor as well. I'm gonna be showing it as well how you can do that. And here we have the option to download the video as well. So let's click on download. And the video will be downloaded to your file. Now let's go back. And let me show you how you can add transition to your video as well. So let's select on this video. And here you can edit the video. So let's click on edit. As you just saw, the transition were very generic. So in order to add transition in your video, here select the 3-dot icon at the top right of your scene. And from the above menu, click on edit transition. And here we have all these transition. And here you can select any transition. So if you select the transition, you will see a preview of it in the video. Let's select another transition. And I think that's good. And also under here, you can set the duration of your transition. So that's for the transition, you can add transition in this way. And if you want to add music to your video, then you can select on media. And here right to video, we have audio option. And here also you can search and select any relevant music which is suitable for your video. So that's pretty much it is. That's how you can use AIStudios to create realistic AI avatar videos. So start using AIStudios, start creating your videos by exploring different options, and you can create great videos using this tool. And I will leave a link to AIStudios also in the description. You can check it out there. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure you leave a like and comment in this video. And if you want to create a Pictory AI account, then watch this video and I will see you in the next one.